Today, we will show you how to replace the speaker of your Jeep. First, remove all the screws securing the steering wheel and the steering wheel mount. Next, once removed, open the hood and remove the screws securing the battery case and dashboard in place, just like shown in the video. You can now access the dashboard wiring. Open it by removing the screws that secure it in place. The same applies to the speaker. Make sure to disconnect the wires properly. Once done, you can now install the new speaker. Just follow the same steps in reverse when putting the dashboard and other parts back in place, and you're all set. Thanks for watching.